Hey y'all, welcome back.
It's been a while and we're back.
It sure has.
Today we're going to show you how to create the perfect southern fried catfish. It's crispy on the outside and flaky and moist on the inside. We'll also show you an easy and delicious tartar sauce recipe that you can pair this with. But before we jump into this recipe, please take a second to hit that like and subscribe button and that bell icon for future notification when we release new video. And now we're going to show you how to make the perfect southern fried catfish. So y'all, let's get to cooking. To get started, we will need to gather the following simple ingredients. We'll need all-purpose flour, yellow cornmeal, Tony Chachere's, mustard, hot sauce, 2 eggs, and the star of the show, big catfish fillets. And for our homemade tartar sauce, we'll need mayo, relish, and a lemon. And as always, the specific measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out.
Now, we will preheat our fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
And while we wait for our oil to come up to temp, we can begin by creating our wet batter.
So to a large bowl, add about a cup of mustard, your choice of hot sauce, and 2 large eggs and mix everything together.
Then we're going to season our catfish with our choice of spice on both sides.
I'm going to use my hand to rub the spice all over the fish. Make sure to be generous with your spice so that your fish is full of flavor.
And then dip the fish fillet into the mustard hot sauce mixture and make sure they're well coated, just like so.
Trust us when we say you won't taste the mustard at the end, but this does provide for a delicious flavor. You may also just use an egg wash or buttermilk to bind the flour cornmeal mixture to the fish if you prefer. Once done, set this aside for about 10 minutes to marinate.
Now we're going to combine our dry ingredients to make our breading.
So to another bowl, add 2 cups of yellow cornmeal and 2 cups of all-purpose flour and using a whisk or a fork. Also, give this a quick mix. Now, you may add other seasoning to this breading mixture if you would like, but I personally think it is fine without. Now, 10 minutes later, dredge them in the flour cornmeal mixture really well and pat them in to make sure they're sufficiently covered and shake off the excess, and set them aside for a couple of minutes to ensure the coating adheres to the fish as it fries and it doesn't break off.
Now that our oil is up to temp, it's time to fry our fish.
So grab your battered fish fillets and slowly and carefully place them into the oil. In about 30 seconds, move them around a little bit so they don't stick to the basket. And if you are frying more than one fish in your pan or fryer, make sure your fish fillets don't touch and get connected to one another. They tend to like to hug each other. Try to keep them separated during the frying process. Also, fry in batches so you don't overcrowd the fryer. We're going to fry them for about 4 to 6 minutes.
And while we wait for our fish to fry, I'm going to give you a quick, simple recipe on how to make your own tartar sauce.
Start with about a cup of mayonnaise, and to that, we're going to add dill relish. Add about a teaspoon of lemon juice, and you can also add black pepper and salt if you like. Give this a mix and adjust your seasonings to your taste.
Perfect. This is gonna be so good with the fried fish.
Now, once they achieve that beautiful golden color, We can go ahead and remove them from the oil and set them on a wire rack to drain off any excess oil for 1 minute before we plate them. Go ahead and repeat these steps until all your fish is fried. And friends, look at this, our final product. Beautiful fried mustard catfish. Crispy golden brown, just looking so delicious. We also decided to pair our fish with French fries along with our homemade tartar sauce. It just doesn't get any better than this.
And friends, there you have it. The perfect fried catfish recipe out there.
Whoa.
Y'all know what time it is. It's
Taste test time. All right.
You wanna go first?
Sure. I'll just break it in half. Ooh, man. Oh, check this out.
Wow, look at how flaky it looks on the inside.
Oh, yeah.
I can't wait to taste it. Okay, I'm just gonna grab your half of the piece.
Okay.
Dip it in. Dip.
In our homemade tartar sauce. And, you know, we could add some hot sauce to it.
It's delicious. It's crispy on the outside, and it's flaky and moist on the inside, just like how I like it. So, y'all, this recipe definitely was successful. I better try it. Wow. So good. I would make a sandwich with this.
Oh, yeah.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
I did it again. And guys, if you like our video today, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell icon button for future notifications when we release a new video. And be sure to like our other videos or watch them right over there. Check out those other recipes. And thank you for watching our video today. We appreciate you guys so much, even the new people commenting. We love your comments and we will get to your recipe. Please give us feedback on this recipe and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace.